Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to change Windows password. In Windows 10, let's get started. First, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on the Settings icon to open Windows Settings. In the Settings window, click on Accounts. From the left side menu, click on Sign-in options. This section allows you to manage your Windows login methods, including your password. Under the Password section, click on the Change button. Windows will ask you to enter your current password first. Type your existing password and click Next. Now, enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. You can also add a password hint to help you remember it if needed. After entering the details, click Next, and then click Finish. Your Windows password has now been changed successfully. The next time you sign into your computer, you will need to use your new password. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.